Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. As we all know that CBSE has issued guidelines to promote art integrated education and to make the students aware about the vast and diverse functions heritage about our country India. So today in this video we will learn about Jammu and Kashmir and you will find some ideas about how to create art integrated project on Jammu and Kashmir. We will talk about its people, geography, culture, dances, history, food and famous places to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. Aim of this art integrated project is to understand the history, geography, population, climate, languages, people, culture, dresses, food, dances, religious places and heritage sites, famous places to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, also known as Paradise on the Earth, is the Union Territory of India along with Ladakh. Jammu is famous for its temples, while Kashmir Valley is known for its beautiful lakes. In the year 2019, the state has been recognized by the Parliament of India into two union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir in the west and Ladakh in the east. Now let us learn about the history of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu was historically the seat of the Dogra dynasty and more than two-thirds of the population here is Hindu, who lives in the southern portion of the region. Jammu and Kashmir has been the subject of dispute since the partition of the country in 1947. India administers the southern area of the line of control, whereas Pakistan administers northwestern Kashmir and China took eastern Kashmir from 1962 war. From 17th to 20th century, Britain ruled most of the Indian subcontinent, firstly indirectly through the British East India Company, then from 1858 directly through the British Crown. Britain faced increasing pressure to grant independence to its colony. After World War II, Parliament decided British rule of India should end by 1948. So on August 14, 1947, the independent Muslim majority nation of Pakistan was formed and Hindu majority independent nation of India followed the next day. At this time, the majority Muslim population was governed by the king Maharaja Hari Singh, who was a Hindu. Unlike most of the princely states, which aligned themselves with one nation or other, Maharaja wanted independence for Kashmir. The king signed an agreement with Pakistan that allowed citizens of Kashmir to continue trade and travel with Pakistan. In September 1947, Pashtun tribesmen of Pakistan entered into Kashmir. After that, the king asked for India's help. But India replied that in order to gain military assistance, Kashmir had to accede in India, and thus it became a part of India. Now let us learn about geography of Jammu and Kashmir. The shape of Jammu and Kashmir on the map gives it a crown-like appearance. In addition, it is in the foothills of the Himalayan mountains and has great natural beauty. It is the northernmost union territory of Indian territory. In India, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh share boundaries with it. Its international neighbors are China and Pakistan. In the past, Jammu and Kashmir was totaled in three regions: Kashmir Valley, Jammu and Ladakh. Now Ladakh is a separate union territory. Jammu shrines and Kashmir's beauty and Ladakh's Buddhist culture will charm and amaze at the same time. Jhelum is the major water source of Jammu and Kashmir. Apart from it, Chenab, Indus, Ravi and Tavi hydrate Jammu and Kashmir. The Pir Panjal range separates the Indo-Gangetic plain from Kashmir Valley, while the Himalayas do the same by acting as a friendly barrier between Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir is a place where all elements of nature can be found. The Himalayas have blessed Jammu and Kashmir with their innate beauty and magnificence. They stand here tall and mighty with all their glory. Next is population of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has a Muslim majority population. Though Islam is practiced by about 67% of the population of Jammu and Kashmir and by 97% of the population of Kashmir Valley, the region has large communities of Buddhists, Hindus and Sikhs. In Jammu, Hindu consists 31% of the population, Muslim 65% and Sikhs 4%. Whereas in Ladakh, Buddhists constitute about 46% of the population, the remaining being Muslims. Next is climate of Jammu and Kashmir. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, do like, share and comment on our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Jammu and Kashmir is located in the Himalayas, so it can be split into three climatic regions, namely Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu is the winter capital, whereas Srinagar is the summer capital. The best time to visit the Kashmir region is from April to October, as it has a pleasant weather in the summer months and gets cold in the months of winter. The valley gets covered with blossoms and the orchards are heavy with fruits during summer. In Jammu, the maximum temperature in summer can go a high of 45 degrees centigrade. Jammu enjoys a good amount of rain during the monsoons. However, winter is the best time to visit Jammu region with a maximum temperature around 18 degrees Celsius and the minimum around 4 degrees Celsius. Autumn is the season of different colors in Kashmir. The maximum temperature during the day is around 23 degrees Celsius, but the nights are cool. Kashmir witnesses heavy snowfall in winters with temperature varying from -2 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Gulmarg attracts a large number of tourists interested in adventure sports. Now let us see the languages of Jammu and Kashmir. The main language spoken by the majority of the population in Kashmir is Kashmiri and the Jammu is Dogri. Now let us learn about people and culture of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is a diverse blend of various cultures. People from different religious and social practices of Muslim, Hindu, Sikh and Buddhists have created a composite culture of the state which is called Kashmiriyat. Kashmiri consists of Kashmiri Pandits, Kashmiri Muslims, Gujjars and Rajasthani Rajputs. The economy of Jammu and Kashmir was predominantly dependent on agriculture and related activities. Horticulture played a vital role in the economic development of the region. Now let us learn about famous places to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. The first famous place to visit in Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Locally, this place is known as the mirror to the mountains. Srinagar is the first stopover for every traveler, and there are a long list of places to visit in Srinagar. The main highlight of this place is the Dal Lake, which is the germ of the city. This place gives a close outlook to the Kashmir cuisine and the region's culture. Next famous place is Gulmarg. It is also known as Meadow of Flowers. Gulmarg is a treat to the eyes with its spread of vibrant flowers against snow-capped mountains as background. This region of Kashmir is also known as the Adventure's Paradise because of its vast option of skiing in the snow while enjoying the views around. The 3.5 km long and 1 km wide valley was discovered in the 16th century by Sultan Yusuf Shah. It was also a favorite resort of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. The next place is Sonamarg. It is located at the hefty altitude of 2740 meter above sea level, literally means meadow of gold. Sonamarg is a town surrounded by breathtaking glaciers and serene lakes, is a snow-covered, beautiful, flower-laden meadow in the majesty Himalayan mountain region. Sonamarg in the Kashmir Valley is the gateway to Ladakh, located at 87 kilometers from Srinagar. Next place is Pahalgam. It is also known as the Valley of Shepherds. Pahalgam is considered as an illustration of the heaven on earth, which is situated at an altitude of 2740 meters. It is a popular tourist destination and a hill station. It is located 45 kilometers from Anantnag on the bank of Lidar River. Pahalgam is associated with the annual Amarnath Yatra. Let us see the next place, which is Lolab Valley. Lolab Valley, or Land of Love and Beauty, is 5 kilometers wide and 26 kilometers long. Fruit trees such as apple, cherry, peach, apricot and walnut are common in the valley, which is known as the fruit ball of Jammu and Kashmir. It is formed by the flow of Lalwal River, which flows from east to west. The Lolab Valley is home to many ancient springs and is covered with dense forests of pine and fir. The last famous place here is Jammu. Jammu is a land of grand ancient temples and beautiful palaces. Nestled against the backdrop of the snow-capped Pir Panjal mountains, the Jammu forms the transition between the Himalayan range in the north and the plains of Punjab in the south. The Shivalik hills cut across the area from the east to the west, while the rivers Tavi, Ravi and Chenab cut their way through the region. Now let us see famous religious places to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. The first famous religious places in Jammu and Kashmir is Amarnath Caves. Amarnath is one of the renowned sacred places in India for the devotees of Lord Shiva. It is located at a distance of 141 kilometers from Srinagar at an elevation of around 3,888 meters. You can reach there through Pahalgam town. The temple holds utmost significance for the Lord Shiva's devotees. The Amarnath cave remains surrounded by snowy mountains all through the year, and pilgrims have the access to this spiritual place only in the summer season. The next religious place is Vaishno Devi Temple. Vaishno Devi Mandir is a Hindu temple located in Katra, Jammu. It is believed that the goddess Vaishno fulfills her children's wish, and that's why millions of devotees come to this holy place. The darshan is open around the clock and throughout the year. Here the devotees stand in a long queue just to have small glimpse of Mita Rani. The atmosphere of this auspicious place is usually filled with Mata Ka Jaikara and songs of Ma Vaishnavi. Every year millions of people visit this place and walk about 13 km uphill to reach the cave of goddess. Next famous religious place is Raghunath Temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Rama. Raghunath Temple was constructed by Maharaja Gulab Singh and later on completed by Maharaja Ranbir Singh. The interior of this temple is well crafted by gold-plated spires, art and paintings related to the god Rama and Krishna. The entrance door has Surya icon and it consists of a library also. This place consists of 7 Hindu shrines along with 7 marvelous shikaras. This place is the Lord Surya or Matan Temple. The Matan Sun Temple was built during the 8th century and it is a Kashmiri Hindu temple devoted to Lord Surya. The whole shrine was rested on 84 columns which offered an amazing view of Kashmir Valley. However, the temple was destroyed on the orders of Muslim rulers in 15th century. Next famous religious place is Shankaracharya Temple. It is also known as Jeshteshwara Temple. It is situated on top of the Shankaracharya hill on the Jabarwan range in Srinagar. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is at a height of 1000 feet above the valley floor and overlooks the city of Srinagar. Now let us see the next place, which is the Kheer Bhavani Temple. Kheer Bhavani Temple is located near Tulmul village that is mostly visited by Hindu followers. Here devotees offer rice and milk pudding to Kheer Bhavani as a symbol of worship and faith. This temple was built over a spring within which a small marble exists. People celebrate the annual festival on the 8 days of the full moon in May or June. People also believe that the spring's color gets changed according to the avatars of goddess. Next place is Sud Mahadev Temple. This holy temple near Patni Top is situated at an altitude of 1225 meters and is about 120 kilometers from Jammu. This temple is believed to be 2800 years old. The temple has a spring by a name Papnasi Bauli. It is believed that taking bath in it relieves a devotee of all sins. The last famous religious place in Jammu and Kashmir is Avantipur Temple. Avanti Swami Temple is located in Avantipura at Pahalgam. There were two temples, one for Shiva and other Vishnu. These temples were built by King Avantipuran in 9th century AD on the banks of river Jhelum. These temples were destroyed by earthquakes and the sites are now maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. Now let us see heritage sites to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. The first heritage site to visit is Shalimar Bagh Mughal Garden. Shalimar Bagh or the Garden of Love is a Mughal garden in Srinagar. It is linked through a channel to the northeast of Dal Lake. The Bagh was built by Mughal Emperor Jahangir for his wife Noor Jahan in 1619. The Bagh is considered the high point of Mughal horticulture. It is now a public park and also referred to as a Crown of Srinagar. Next is Amar Mahal Museum and Library. The Amar Mahal was a palace in Jammu which has now been converted into a museum. It was built in the 19th century for Raja Amar Singh by a French architect. The Shivalik hill ranges to the north of the Mahal on the left bank of the river provide a grand view with the Tavi river flowing in between draining the valley. The next heritage site of Jammu and Kashmir is Bahu Fort. The Bahu Fort is a historic fort in the city of Jammu. It is constructed on the banks of Tavi river. The ancient fort is believed to be constructed by Raja Bahulochan around 3000 years ago. The next heritage site of Jammu and Kashmir is Mubarak Mandi Palace. This palace was the royal residence of the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir from the Dogra dynasty. The last heritage site is Aknur Fort. It is situated at right bank of Chenab River. Now let us learn about famous traditional dances of Jammu and Kashmir. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. The first traditional dance of Jammu and Kashmir is Kud dance. It is a celebration to thank the Gram Devata or village deity for protecting crops, cattle, and people from natural disasters. Next is rough folk dance. It is performed on special occasions such as Eid ul-Fitr, on some cultural events, harvest season, and on other festive seasons. Then Dhamal dance. It is performed to welcome the spring season in Jammu and Kashmir. Next traditional dance of Jammu and Kashmir is Hafiza dance. It is a Kashmiri folk dance performed by the women of Kashmiri, particularly in festivals and in marriage ceremonies. Next is Jagarna. Jagarna is performed when the Barat has left the home for the bride. It is inauspicious to left the wedding home of the bridegroom empty and quiet. So some of the females of the family stay there and at the night they perform Jagarna. Next is Chaja dance. In Lori Chaja, people celebrate the festival by exchanging dry fruits, peanuts, gajak and other similar stuff to relatives and neighbors. Now let us learn about traditional festivals of Jammu and Kashmir. First traditional festival is Baisakhi. It is a harvest festival of Jammu and Kashmir celebrated in the month of April, and it is one of the major festivals in Jammu and Kashmir region. Next is Lohri. Lohri is one of the major festivals in Jammu and Kashmir. It is celebrated by the Dogras of Jammu region as well as the Hindu community of Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. Next festival is Eid. These festivals are not limited to Kashmir but also celebrated in other regions of India as well. Next is Hirat. Hirat is a major Kashmiri Pandit festival living in the valley. On this day, people visit Shiv temples and do pujas as per the rituals, offering milk, belpatra, flowers and fruits. It is somewhat different from the Shivaratri celebrated in the rest of India, but the essence and the purpose is the same. Next is Shikara festival. Shikara is a boat race organized annually, usually in the month of March, by the government of Jammu and Kashmir to encourage tourism. And the last festival is Tulip Festival. Now let us see traditional food items of Jammu and Kashmir. Famous food items of Jammu and Kashmir are Gosht Thaba, Rogan Josh, Yakhni Lamb Curry, Khawa, Lyadar Chaman and Kashmiri Bangan. Now children, let us learn about traditional dresses of Jammu and Kashmir. The traditional dresses of Jammu and Kashmir are Farran, Taranga, Kasaba, Tehran.